Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation out at the Country House project. The supervisor said everything's good. They're going to take a nap. Windows installed, Norandex Extreme Series. Dark bronze finish. It's great windows. Wood brick mold stained. Good compromise between the windows and the door trim. That's the window we added in the bathroom. Finished up the siding on Monday. Got some cedar 6x6s on the way for out front. White finish on the inside. Run a bit of stop around the edge. Pull down staircase going in. And that's it. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.